whether we should eat mango with peels or without peels. Scientists say there is a lot of nutrition in mango peel because mango fruit is a seed in a way, and all the nutrition that fruit will get, it will get from its peel. That means the powerhouse in mango fruit is its peel. So is it true? Should we eat mango with peels? What Ayurveda has to say about it? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor, and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about whether we should eat mango with peel or without peel when the mango is fully ripe. So according to Ayurveda, if you go with the text in Ayurveda, nowhere it's been written that you should eat mango peel. But I am not discarding science also. Researches says that mango peel has a lot of nutrition. Why? Because all the fruit that it gets its nutrition from mango peel, and it's true. In case of any fruit, all the fruits are getting nutrition from its peel. That means peel is the powerhouse of nutrition. Ayurveda concept is, it is not like whatever is nutritious you eat, like raw vegetables are more nutritious than cooked vegetables. But Ayurveda recommends cooked food. By cooking, half of the nutrients get destroyed. But the concept behind that is this, like if your digestive fire is super strong, like super duper strong, then you can eat mango with mango peel. But if your digestive fire is weak, you will not be able to digest mango peel. And if you eat mango with mango peel, it will cause stomach pain. If you see sometimes monkey eating mango, how they eat? They remove the peel. It's not because I'm saying like monkey has more sense than human beings, not like that. Because monkeys naturally knows like their digestive fire is not as strong that they can digest the peel. So they will not eat the peel. But if you will see cows or these four-legged animals, they will see mango peel, they will eat it. They can digest it also because their digestive system is of another kind. So they can digest. But as far as human are concerned, they don't have so much strong digestive fire that they can digest mango peel. And moreover, the mango that is coming these days in markets, it contains a lot of pesticide spray. Even the normal peels, we are recommending remove the peels first and then eat mango, and soak the mango 2 hours before eating it so that it will become conducive for your body, so that excess heat in the mango, it will vanish through the water because it is Ushna Virya, that is hot in potency. So those people who have stomatitis, who have acidity issues, for these people, it is very important that you first soak mango for 2-3 hours in the water and then consume it, just like dry fruits. We recommend soaked dry fruits. So mango also we recommend soaked mango in water, so that all the heat of the mango will get dispersed in the water from Ayurveda principle. And this kind of mango when you will eat, it will not enhance the heat in your system. But in these mangoes also, in Ayurveda, eating mango with peel is not recommended. Because according to Ayurveda, human body don't have that kind of enzymes that it will be able to digest the mango peel. Or you will say, okay, that time enzymes word was not there, enzymes were not discovered. In Ayurveda, the digestive fire concept was there, like in Jatra Agni. So human Jatra Agni is not that much strong that it will be able to digest the mango peel. So very much possibility is there, if you are taking mango with peel, it will cause stomach pain. And moreover, these days is the era of pesticides, a lot of pesticides on mango outside peel. So it's better you always remove the outside mango peel and then eat mango and enjoy mango. I hope now it will be no confusion that we should eat mango. This question is asked by one of our audience, and I hope I try to answer this question by making videos so that for better understanding, not only for you and for other people also. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.